Hi guys. I don't know if you've seen in my one of my previous videos, I was talking about when we're going to start blocking them from going over there. Well, normally I would wait until a little bit longer because of deer season, like I said in the video. Um, well, we had a little incident last night. So my husband had come down to fill hay racks and um, put them away, feed them, check on moms and babies like always. Well, all of a sudden, I was standing on the porch and he came running up the yard. Apparently, over back in there, all over, I think he said actually over there was a coyote. Now, my goat barn, it's not that far from there. Um, so he ran up and got the gun. My goats were still out, so he shot at it, missed. It was mainly just to scare it off. So my husband decided, for the safety of our goats, to block them off. So I don't know if you can see it. They cannot go across the swamp. So no more across the swamps till spring, mid-spring, whenever the weather decides to be nice. Now, when you have a threat of a predator, it's usually nice to have like something to scare them, whether it be a donkey, a dog. I really don't want to go the donkey way yet. So we're going to try putting them away earlier and see if that helps, because it gets darker sooner. Hopefully that helps. If not, I mean, I don't want it to get anywhere farther than it did. If my husband sees more, obviously he'll we'll decide. But what's nice is you can't see it on the fence, but there is electric fence. So the electric fencing goes all the way. But the problem is where it was, that fence isn't that high. So my husband's gonna have to check fence again, make sure it's higher. Maybe cut a little bit of, thing's broken. Maybe like make it a little higher. Then they usually don't come bother us. This year with the deer, a mom and a baby built their bedding over there. You just want to be vigilant about predators. So I think my husband's decided to hide a gun, or obviously not near my children. Have his gun if needed. Hopefully it doesn't come to needing to use it. I know it's just trying to find food, but my goats are not food. Hopefully. What else? So I kept having a nightmare about the babies. Somehow the coyote got in there. Hopefully we can kind of stop it before it gets to that point. Yep. So, coyote in the yard. I'm worried about this one, because he's so little. Let's see. There he is. Using your horn itch. He's kind of like the not so strong one. Even though he thinks he is. Don't tell him that. He likes to get out of the fencing. So that's another reason my husband blocked over there. Him and Trouble 1 and 2. They like to get out a lot. So, and exactly over there. So coyotes will come out during the day if they're hungry enough. So if we prevent them from going over there, less risk of me having to call somebody while my husband's at work because we have a coyote problem. So no more across the swamp. So now you get to see them all. Yeah. All right.